Hello friends, welcome to ASAP German Language Institute and my name is Anand. I also welcome you to the series of our videos for Goethe German A1 exam preparation. So when I say that this is exam preparation series, that means this is not just for your information, or we are not just giving information about this exam, we are helping you to prepare for this exam in detail. Okay, so also this series is not for learning German. We expect that you have already learned German. If you want to learn German, you can contact ASAP Institute and you can attend our live classes. Here are the numbers given. You can contact on this number and you can attend our live classes and you can learn German properly in detail. Okay, now this series, exactly what we are going to do in this, that's what we will discuss in this video. This is the first video of the series and we will have introduction to the series in this video. So what exactly we are going to do now? What exactly we have in this series? We will be solving three modal question papers or solving three sample question papers. Okay, now as you already know that this exam has four modules like reading, writing, listening, speaking. Four modules are there and every module has different parts. Every module has three parts, only the writing module has two parts. Okay, so we are making one video on every part. So what will be there in this video? In every video, I will be solving one question paper, particularly that part of that question paper. And then I will explain you how to solve that, how to find the answer, how to write the answer. I will explain you that part in detail so that you can do now next two sample question papers on your own. Immediately after that one question paper that I solve, after that I will show you two sample question papers one by one and you have to solve them immediately while the video is going on. So this video will be kind of live classroom for you. Okay, I'm showing you how to solve this one sample question paper and then I'm giving you immediately two sample question papers and you have to solve that. Okay, so like this we will have this complete series and you will be solving two sample question papers on your own. Now next question comes, like if you are solving this and you are watching all these videos, what about the answers? And here comes actually our comment box. This comment box is not just a comment box, it will be our live classroom. Yeah, we will have live session kind of discussion there. You will send your answers after every video in that comment box and then we will discuss, we'll check the answers. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can share that in the comment box. So this is how the comment box will be our classroom. Okay, so take that seriously and use that a lot. Now the next point comes, like what you will need for this series. Mainly, as we discussed, you will need these three sample question papers. These three sample question papers you can download from the official website of Goethe Institute. Means yes, we are solving Goethe Institute sample question paper. The link actually is given in the description box. You can download it from there, and you can go to Goethe's official website and you can download it from there. Okay, so these three sample question papers you must have. You must print them. Having only PDF file downloaded will not be helpful. You need to print them because you will have to write, you have to mark the answers in that. So then only you will get the exact benefit of this series. Okay, so make sure that you are downloading and you are printing those question papers. Now let's say if you feel like these three sample question papers are not enough for you, then there is one more book and the name of that book is Prüfungstraining by Cornelsen. This book you can buy and the link is given in the description. This book you can buy and you can solve four more question papers. In this book there will be four question papers. Answers are given in the book itself. So after solving question paper you can check the answers, and there also if you have any doubts you can also write down in the comment box your doubts and we can discuss about that there. Okay, so this is how this series will prepare you very well for this exam. You won't have to worry about the exam preparation if you watch this complete series, but make sure you're learning German before you start solving this exam preparation. If you wish to learn it online, as I told you, you can contact us on this number and you can learn German A1 level in detail. Okay, so this was the first video and I hope you understood what we are going to do in this series. And our next video will be on exam pattern. Even if you have already seen some video on exam pattern, how is Goethe German A1 exam pattern, that is also called Start Deutsch ein. Okay, so but still you should watch this video as it is a part of this series. You will definitely get some new information in that. Don't ignore. What I expect you during this series is not to ignore any video. Watch all the videos in series. Like this is number one, next video is number two. Like this, there will be around 14-15 videos. You must watch all the videos in sequence. Don't jump to any other videos randomly, like seventh video, then fifth video. Okay, that will confuse you. So if you do it properly in the sequence, then that will make sure that you have prepared really well. Also, do not ignore the instructions. Solve all the sample question papers and share answers in the comment box. Also, read the comments, because maybe many other students have posted some doubts and we have answered their doubts, their questions. You will also learn from that a lot. Okay, so let's continue with our series then, and see you in our next video.